Okay, hello my friend. Hopefully you are doing great. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add more useful info to your Allo reporter. And sorry for the background noise around if you guess during the tutorial. So I'm going to show you how to add information to your test script. Before doing that, let we add something in the Allo reporter option. If you come to WebdriverIO homepage for Allo Reporter session here, you can see issue link template. So that means you want to add the link for your part tracker system like Trira or something like that. You can add a URL here. So you see the double curly bracket here. That will be placeholder for the issue ID. And we can add the same thing for test management system links templates in Allo Reporter. So just copy them and then we can add more in Allo option in our main configuration. So you open your shortcut and you open your main configuration test here. In the reporter, Allo Reporter here, you just add another option. The first option that issue link template. And in this case, you want to add your bug tracker system URL from your company. In this case, for example, I have something HTTPS and then something like my bug tracker / and we have a double curly brackets like placeholder for the ID. And I will do the same thing for TMS link template. TMS means test management system. For example, I will have HTTPS and then my TMS / the placeholder here. Okay. So now if I go back to my test script and then I want to add something like before using Allo Reporter, you need to import Allo Reporter from the package WIO Allo Reporter here, and then you can use it inside your test script. So in this case, you want to add something like Allo Reporter dot add test ID. That should be the test case ID under test management system. In this case, I will add test case 001. And I will do the same for the second test script here, should be 002. And I want to add, for example, I have a box in the second test case here, and I know it will fail my test case. So I'm gonna add something like Allo Reporter as issue and the issue ID like issue 002 here. Okay, so we have bug ID and we have a test case ID here. It will trigger in the test report. So because this test case will fail, in this case, I want to fail it fast, right? So I will expect something to be false, something like that, and that will trigger a failure, and I don't want to execute the rest of the code because I already have the issue here. And let's say what we want to add more. Let's come back to Allo report. We have a story name, severity. Okay, let's add the severity. That means how important for your test case, right? So you want to add severity for this test case, like Allo reporter does add severity here, and we have something like critical. And for the second test case, we will consider it as normal. So you may ask yourself that how many level for for test case priority. You can come to Allure Reporter homepage. Let me find out here. You can come to Allure framework and then you search for something like critical severity. Just go back. I saw it some here. Here we have blocker, critical, normal, minor, and trivial. So we have critical, that means very important, something like normal or something like that. You can add here in your test script. And then you start your IBM server, connect your device to your PC, and then you can execute npm test config and the Android configuration. Okay, let's see what is from here. Oh, okay, sorry for this one. Run it again. Now it will send the capability to IBM server, and IBM server is trying to launch the application on the device. So for the test script, it should be the same from previous lessons. We just want to see some more information from our test reports in this case. So the test is now done, and we have one failure because we trigger a failure here, expect true to be false, okay? So just open the Allure reports and open the index.html. You will see we have the one failure here. And now if you click to see the detail, we will have the link here, you see? So if you open it, it will open your TMS tracker here. So if you have 3 error, you can add it. And for the second test script, you can see that we have a bug here, and we have a bug ID here. And we already have the test case ID on the test management system. And we already have the screenshots after the failure, something like that. So now you know how to add more information in your test script. Let me summary again for you to understand. So first step, you need to import Allure Reporter from Allure Reporter package WebdriverIO, and then you can use like add test ID as severity. You can add something like the issue ID, and if you want to link the issue ID or test ID on the test management system, you need to come back to the test configuration file here. You go to Allure Reporter configuration option. You need to add issue link template and the TMS link template. And you don't forget the placeholder at the end here. It will replace the ID for you. So try to practice yourself and see you in the next lesson.